In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Outlook profile picture. We'll do this on Outlook.com, which works in any modern browser. First, go to Outlook.com and sign in. In your inbox, look at the top right corner. You'll see a small circle showing your current photo, or your initials if none is set. Click it to open your account panel. A pop-up appears with a larger version of your photo and some account links. Click the photo again inside this pop-up. That opens the Change Your Photo window. Choose Upload a new photo to pick an image from your computer. Your file picker will open. Navigate to your picture, select it, and click Open. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot. A simple background and good contrast help the thumbnail appear sharp across Outlook and other Microsoft apps. After loading, use the editing tools to adjust it. Drag the slider to zoom in or out, then click and drag to center your face. Rotate if needed. Preview the crop and make sure no part of your face is cut off. When satisfied, click Apply or Save. Outlook updates your account immediately. It may take a few minutes to sync across other Microsoft 365 apps, but a page refresh often helps. Tips: use high-resolution images for crisp results. JPG or PNG formats work well. Avoid overcropping, keep backgrounds simple, and skip heavy filters. If using a work or school account and the option isn't available, your admin may manage it. That's it, your Outlook profile picture is updated and will appear on emails, invites, and contact cards.